Hello everyone and welcome to Kalamandir's YouTube channel. So today I am going to be showing you a very beautiful sari collection that is called Sambalpuri sarees, and it is flat 1000 rupees on today's collection. So let me tell you that Kalamandir showrooms are located in Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Karnataka. I will also tell you the purchasing process. The first way is to take a screenshot of the sari or the sari code, send it to our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299, or else just check the description box below for your favorite sari link, press onto it and it will direct you to our main website. From there you can shop easily, also avail heavy discounts. So let us begin with the first sari. Is a green sari that I am holding on to. Very beautiful floral works on the entire body. Have a look at the border, contrasting in color. And here is the pallu of the sari, which is again contrasting in color. Here is a blouse piece, which is again contrasting with the sari, and a very beautiful blouse piece. Sari code is BV534 and the sari is priced at 1000 rupees. Let me also remind you, all the saris from this collection are going to be for 1000 rupees only. Next sari. So here is the next sari, peach in color with beautiful red and cream combination here, also a little bit of blue. Florals on the entire body here. Here is the border of the sari, which has little bit of cream and blue color. This is the contrasting pallu of the sari along with tassels at the bottom. Here is the contrasting blouse piece along with the sari with floral print on it. Sari code is BV536 and the sari is at flat 1000 rupees. Next sari. And now I have a sea green sari with florals on the entire body, a very beautiful color. Have a look at the border of the sari, lovely pattern on the border as well. And here is the pallu of the sari, which is contrasting in color along with tassels at the bottom of the pallu. Here is the blouse piece, which is contrasting in color and has floral prints on it. Sari code is BV537 and the sari price is flat 1000 rupees. Next sari. Up next is a beautiful mustard sari which has floral prints on the entire body. Here is a contrasting border to this amazing mustard sari, and this is a contrasting pallu on this sari. The sari is paired up with a contrasting blouse piece along with floral patterns on it. Sari code is BV538 and the price for the sari is flat 1000 rupees. Next sari. Next is a beautiful pink color sari, and on the body you can see animal prints along with leaf prints. Sari has a very thin border in contrasting color. And here is the pallu of the sari, which is again in contrasting color, leaf prints on it. This sari is paired up with a contrasting blouse piece and zigzag lines all over it. Sari code is BV226 and the price for the sari is flat 1000 rupees. Next sari. So next is a mustard colored sari, a very beautiful sari with multiple work of florals on the entire body. You can see multicolor on it as well. And here is a contrasting border, greyish in color with zigzag line on it. Contrasting pallu to go with this sari. Here is the blouse piece, which is again contrasting and plain. Sari code is BW660 and the price for the sari is flat 1000 rupees. Next sari. So up next is a beautiful red and black combination sari. Have a look at the body of the sari. It has digital prints all over it. And here is a contrasting border, again with prints all over it. A contrasting pallu to go along with this sari, black in color along with tassels at the bottom. Here is a contrasting blouse piece to go with this beautiful red sari. Sari code is BW646 and the price for the sari is flat 1000 rupees. Next sari. Now I am holding on to a maroon color sari with yellow combination. Have a look at the body. It has digital prints all over it. And then is the border of the sari, which has a mix of yellow and red to it. Again, full digital printed sari. Here is the pallu of the sari, which is similar to the border. The blouse piece of the sari is contrasting in color and has digital prints all over it. Sari code is BV218 and the price is flat 1000 rupees. Next sari. And now is a pink color sari in combination with grey. Have a look at the body. It has digital prints all over it. And then we have the border of the sari, which is again contrasting in color along with digital prints. Here is the pallu of the sari, which is again contrasting in color. This is a blouse piece that goes with the sari, contrasting in color and has digital prints on it. Sari code is BW665 and the price is flat 1000 rupees. So let me also tell you, you can avail our video calling facility. All you need to do is drop in a message on our WhatsApp number, that is 9852985299. From there we will get in touch with you. Next sari. Next up is a maroon sari, and as you can see, it is completely covered with florals on the entire body. And here is a contrasting border, mustard in color. Again, contrasting pallu to go along with this sari, and you can find tassels at the bottom of the pallu. This is the blouse piece that goes along with this sari, mustard in color, contrasting and plain. Sari code is BW653 and the price of the sari is flat 1000 rupees. So next sari. So this is the last sari from our collection, that is Sambalpuri saris, which is at flat 1000 rupees. So let me tell you about this beautiful blue sari I'm holding on to. Combination of sky blue and royal blue. You can also see purple in the sari, florals on the entire body. And here is a contrasting border in geometric prints. Sari is paired up with a contrasting pallu and tassels at the bottom of the pallu. To go with the sari, we have a printed and contrasting blouse piece. Sari code is BW654 and the price of the sari is flat 1000 rupees. So I hope you all enjoyed this beautiful collection from Kalamandir, that is Sambalpuri saris, and that is at flat 1000 rupees for all this lovely collection. Also, I will be back with yet another collection very soon with great discounts for you all. Till then, stay tuned with Kalamandir's YouTube channel, and this is Kartika signing off.
హాయ్ హలో, నేను భానుశ్రీని. మన ఇంట్లో జరిగే ప్రతి అకేషన్ కళామందిర్కి వచ్చి షాపింగ్ చేయండి. వీ హ్యావ్ ఆన్లైన్ షాపింగ్ ఆల్సో. ప్లీజ్ డూ ఫాలో అస్ ఇన్స్టా కళామందిర్ ఫ్యాషన్స్, ఫేస్బుక్ అండ్ యూట్యూబ్ కళామందిర్. మన స్టోర్స్ వచ్చేసి తెలంగాణ, ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ అండ్ కర్ణాటక. మీ దగ్గరలో ఉన్న స్టోర్స్కి వెళ్ళి షాపింగ్ చేయండి. ఐ లవ్ యూ ఆల్.